Hey everybody, mowers and blowers. During the storm, bomb cyclone, got about 18 inches. I tried every one of my machines here. This one was like cutting through like butter. It was awesome. This one was okay. That one's alright. This one sucked. Why did it suck? Because it was almost like trying to push a shovel with a metal scraper on the bottom hitting the asphalt, and it just wouldn't move anywhere. You couldn't push it unless you just had the right angle. It's because the scraper bar here is trashed. This scraper bar has probably never been changed before. It's been rubbed so much that if you look at the nut, half the nut is gone, you know, from the scrapage. So I'm gonna remove this and flip it over, and because this side is still smooth, flip it over and do it upside down, and that way you have that plastic filler that is in between the frame and the asphalt, so that will give it that buffer in the sliding motion. If that doesn't work, I do have a yard machine scraper that is in pretty good shape. You know, this part was used, but this other part isn't, you know, so I could simply just flip it around. Except this is 4 holes, and that's 3 holes. And this, yeah, it looks like it'll fit actually. I just have to drill 3 more holes to get it in there. But I'm going to try that other idea first. It's easier. Obviously, you couldn't, you can't use any sockets because there's no bolt to use the sockets. So you get like one of these monkey wrench type pliers. You just whittle through this, you know, slowly. Just grip what you can, turn what you can, and hopefully you'll be able to get at least this one off slowly. Yeah, looks like it's coming off. Yeah, so this was too far gone. I took it off and tried to put it in there, but it's so much gone that the bolts would just scrape the floor, you know? So that wouldn't be good. So I re-drilled the holes using this as a guide. Just put it there and put the 3 holes in there. But this is a little longer, see? So I'm gonna cut that. There you go, bro. Good as new, man. Didn't cost me a dime. Yeah. And that's how you change a snowblower scraper bar. For free. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blows.